Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Good day, my name is Rebaone, Mabutlwane. I am the founder of Lebone Artifice. We specialize in handmade accessories. I started my business because there were no interesting earrings. Like you see, I make very interesting earrings, Afrocentric earrings for African women. So there were no earrings like this in the shops. That's why I started my business, because I like funky earrings. I like something that's unique and that is of great quality. The services I provide is I do beads earrings, I do earrings from recycled leather. I also do these Ankara collars made from 100% fabric. We also recently started doing coasters. This is perfect for gifting. It's made out of resin. And we also have coasters. We also have key holders made out of resin as well, with your alphabet and your wine opener. I mean, it's a festive season. We must not use our teeth to open alcohol. You can get hold of us on 081-215-3990. We are also on Instagram and Facebook under the name @Lebone_Artifice. Hi, my name is Rebaone Mabutlwane and I am the Township Entrepreneur.